Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code EA_19E1A. As per our research, this error appears when players try to go online in the game, but the connection fails with this communication error. Many players have reported that their internet works fine, but they are still unable to connect. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by server issues. It could happen if the servers are under maintenance, facing an outage, or experiencing high traffic. The first thing we suggest is to shut down your device and router completely. Simply unplug them from the power source and wait for around 5 minutes. Then restart both the device and router and check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, check if you need to update the game. If there's an update available, install it and try again. In case the issue continues, go to the title menu and make sure you have accepted the privacy policies, and see if this helps. If you're playing on PlayStation, try this workaround. Join or start a private lobby. Once online, return to the title screen. Then try joining your squad lobby or a recommended lobby. This method has helped some players get around the error, so try this and see if this helps you. If the error is still coming, try switching your connection. Connect your device to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot and see if this resolves the error. If none of these steps helps, then the issue is likely with the game servers. We suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. For server status updates, you can check the official Monster Hunter social media pages. Meanwhile, you can switch to offline mode and continue playing until the servers are back to normal. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.